In this video, we'll explore how Plaud AI can seamlessly integrate into your workflow, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Let's begin by examining your current workflow and identifying areas that could benefit from improvement. First, we'll cover how to install and configure Plaud AI to get you started on the right foot. Next, we'll discuss how to connect Plaud AI with your existing tools and platforms to fully optimize your workflow. Now, let's dive into customizing Plaud AI's features to perfectly align with your specific needs. We'll share some best practices that will help you make the most of Plaud AI in your daily tasks. Here are some successful integration stories from various industries that highlight the impact of Plaud AI. Let's address some common challenges that users face during integration and how you can overcome them. Monitoring and evaluating the impact of Plaud AI on your workflow is crucial for continued success. In conclusion, staying updated with future advancements in Plaud AI will keep your workflow efficient and innovative.